Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So what I'm offering this morning is a mid-1920s Mills Wizard fortune telling machine. Over my career, I've had probably 2 or 3 of these. You really don't see these around much. That's why I've only had 2 or 3 of these. The fortune telling machines are kind of one of the rare coin-op machines, I guess, because they're fortune telling. Everybody loves fortune telling. So come on up here, Jeff. Let's show them what's up with this machine. I'm gonna put my glasses on. So the way this works is you see we have sayings here, okay? So I'm gonna go with, shall I love another? I'm gonna put a coin in the machine. I'm gonna push the button on the side. It flips it down, shall I love another? Yes, but you'll love and lose your lucky stiff. Okay, shall I love another? So you're gonna lose your stiff, and yes, you will love another. Let's go to these. I love these. Picture of your future father-in-law. What's funny is this machine is mechanical, yet we have different answers here that this machine must know. Okay, you can't do the love one when you need to see a picture of your father-in-law, right?
Depends who you are.
Yeah. There is your future father-in-law right there. Look at that handsome devil. This is a really super cute machine. Now let's go to your future mother-in-law. Oh, isn't she cute?
Got a mask on.
Yeah, got a mask on. She's a COVID girl. Super nice aluminum casting. I got it in like this. We serviced it and detailed it. So this is, I think this is pretty darn close to original paint. I think somebody has probably repainted it over the years. It's still got that old patina look on it, so I don't want to mess with it. I don't want to polish it. I don't want to repaint it. There's been some nice cabinetry work done on the machine. So somebody's done a nice job. Probably the cabinetry was at one time not in the greatest shape. This is all original in here. Somebody's built a really nice cash box. As you can see, this is the way I got it. It's been played a lot. Nice lock back door. These are super, super nice machines. They look great on the bar or counter. Kids love them. This is a coin return. If something should get stuck, that will drop the coin through so you can move on. Super nice little fortune telling Mills Wizard Trade Simulator. I'll give it one more shot for you. All mechanical. If you like it, buy it before noon. We'll get it out the same day. 1925. It's getting up there. It's 95 years old. Anyway, thanks for watching our videos, folks. Today. So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those 3 things, You'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.